Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol. I'm here to help you out with how to start commercial RO water plant business in Noida, Delhi or in your city of India. For the commercial RO water business, we all need to start with a small RO plant like 500 LPH or 1000 liter per hour plant. Before set up any RO plant, first we have to check with the TDS and the other minerals of the water. We only check that just because for the reason of plant design and the fluency of work. Work TDS and minerals is different from any particular area. Therefore, we need to get a space. A local market will research for the mineral waters and your potential customers. After all the necessary information by research, all water information, you are ready for getting a best quality commercial RO plant. Now we have decided for starting a commercial RO water business with a small RO plant. Now it's time to decide from where and how to register for commercial RO plant business. For starting any commercial RO water business or before registration, we need some license which is need to be approved. In India, some paperwork like listed license and documents involve small scale industry registration certificate, AOA and MOA of the business, ISI certification form, Bureau of Indian Standards, pollution control certificate from local pollution board office, feed water test report from laboratory, and pest control certificate. With all these 6 certificates, we can be able to say that we are certified commercial RO plant business. The next question comes, when to start the mineral water business. The best month for the commercial RO plant business is February and March. They are the most hygienic and the most consumable month of the year. हम लोगों को कमर्शियल आर प्लांट स्टार्ट करने के लिए कुछ कॉस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, बट हाउ कैन वी डिसाइड कि हमें कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट कितनी कॉस्ट चाहिए. उसके लिए हमारे लिए पास पैरामीटर्स होते हैं विच वी नीड टू लुक अपॉन. द फर्स्ट पैरामीटर इज द वाटर TDS एंड द मिनरल्स एट योर लोकल लोकेशन. That means your business location. The second parameter is the production capacity of the commercial RO plant. Third parameter is the place of a business setup. Fourth, the cost of transportation. Fifth, water source feed and its chemistry. And the last one, the type of water packaging plant and productions. With all these plants, हम बहुत ईजिली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कि हम कितने से कितने अमाउंट की इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ अपना एक बिजनेस शुरू कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल विद 50,000, by measuring all the parameters, we can start a small RO plant by selling 100 LPH RO plant. With the RO plants, every business comes with a profit and a margin calculation. So I must say that the profit of any business is a major factor. For any individual who is starting a business, he should first think about the making the profit. With the yearly basis, if someone indulges him or herself into commercial RO plant business, he can definitely earn the profit. By how much, I can give you an example. Like for the daily production, if your yearly production will be 8,000 to 365, it will be 2,092,000, and total profit will come over with the turnover by the cost of production. By measuring all the parameters of how to invest, how much investment we should take, when to start the business, and how many licenses we need to require, how to register, then we are totally ready to start a commercial RO water business.